Welcome to this video. In this video, we will solve an interesting problem where we have to find the value of Q. The question says there is a number called 31Q and there's another number called 1Q3. If you add those two, you get 501. We are supposed to find the value of Q. That's the question. Okay. Now, this is an interesting question. We'll solve it in 3 different methods in this video. Let us try all of them. If you're curious, the answer happens to be 8. Okay, the answer is 8, and we'll see how we get 8 using 3 different methods. The first method is the simplest of all in the sense that we try all the digits possible. Okay, so what does that mean? So the question says 31Q, 1Q3 when added gives 501. What do we know about Q? That it is a single digit number, correct? What does that mean? That means it can be anything between 1 to 9. So it can be 1, it can be 0, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can be any of these digits. What happens if we just try all of them one by one? That's what we'll do now. So in this we have tried 0, 1 and 2 and see what happens. As you can see, this is not possible because 0 plus 3 is 3 and we have 1 here. So that's not possible. 1 plus 3 is 4. That's also not possible. 2 plus 3 is 5. That's also not possible. If we try 3, 4, 5, 3 plus 3 is 6. Not possible. 4 plus 3 is 7. Not possible. 5 plus 3 is 8. Not possible. Again, if we try 6, 7, 8, 6 plus 3 is 9. Not possible. 7 plus 3 is 10, which means 1 carry. Last digit happens to be 0. Not possible. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now we have something. 11, last digit is 1. The last digit is 1. You'll have 1 carry, which means 8 plus 1 plus 1. Yeah, that matches 10. Again, 1 carry, 3, 1, 3, 1 and 1 is 5. So this is the correct answer. So that is why we can say Q value is 8. Okay. So this is a slow but simplest in the sense that you don't have to do anything. If you know addition, you can just try this. Then let's use some logic. Let's use some logic and find the answer. So what is the logic we'll use? Just look at this last digit, right? If you look at the unit place, what can we say? The interesting thing is the final answer ends with 1 and one of the numbers is 3. Now, since 3 is greater than 1, that means there has to be a carry. So that means this result, when we add Q and 3, it has to be 11. Because when you add something to a number, it can never go back. So since 3 is greater than 1, Q plus 3 has to be 11, right? It can't be 1. It has to be 11, which means Q plus 3 is 11, which means Q is 8. So this is using logic. Sometimes this is the easiest way to solve this problem. Sometimes you can't just use this because it'll be quite complicated. But anyway, in this case, this is the easiest of the 3 methods. Now let's look at the last method, which is a general form method. So this is what is general form. When you have a number like 31Q or 1Q3, you can represent them in hundreds and tens and unit place, right? What does that mean? So for example, 31Q can be represented as 300 plus 10 plus Q. 1Q3 can be represented as 100 plus 10Q plus 3. Because Q is in the 10th place, we have to do 10Q. Now, if you simplify this, what is that we can get? If you just add these two, when you add 300 plus 100, you get 400 plus 10, 410 plus 3, 413, which is what we have here. When you add 10Q plus Q, you get 11Q. Okay. You simplify this, you get 11Q equals 501 minus 413, which is 88. And then you can say that Q is 88 divided by 11, which means Q is 8. This is a method that uses general form and to solve. I mean, this is really useful when the problem is very complex. But in this case, it gives the answer 8. So we tried 3 different methods. I mean, you can use any of them to find the answer. One of them is the fastest, obviously, but we've shown all 3 different methods here. Hopefully you found this interesting and you can use it when you have to solve such problems. We'll come back to you with another video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.